Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you try to open any video with Photos app. So here you can see I'm opening a video with Photos app, and when you open it you only see a blank screen. Now over here you can hear the sound, but you cannot actually see the video. It's a white blank screen. So if this is what is happening, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now, the first step is to go ahead and install HEVC video extensions. So you have to go ahead and copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Now, it will take you to Microsoft Store website, and you have to go ahead and buy this HEVC video extension. So here you can see it is owned by Microsoft Corporation. So you have to go ahead and click on buy. And then you have to go ahead and enter your details. You have to go ahead and log into your account, enter your email and password. Then you have to go ahead and enter your bank details or your credit card details, and you have to buy it. Now, once you buy it, you will see the install option. So click on install, then click on open Microsoft Store. And then over here, you will see the install option. So click on install and let the installation complete. Now, once the download is complete, you can go ahead and open. You can click on open, or you can simply start opening the videos. So you can go to the video once again, and I will make a right click and I will try to open with Photos app. And now you should be able to see the videos. Now over here you can see it's opening the videos after I install that particular extension. So you will not see this blank screen anymore. So this is what has worked for me, so it might work for you. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and download this extension. Again, open this link. This link is also provided in the video description. And then this app is free. This is also owned by Microsoft Corporation. Click on get. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store, and you can go ahead and click on install. In my case, it's already installed. So if you see the update option, go ahead and click on update, and then you can go ahead and try to, once that is done, you can go ahead and try to open the video once again with Photos app, and you should not see that blank white screen anymore. So for me, actually the first option worked. I installed this particular HEVC video extension. I paid for it $0.99 something dollar. And then once you buy it, install it, that should go ahead and fix the problem. But still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and update Photos app. For this, open Microsoft Store on your computer. So just type in Store in Windows search box and then click on Microsoft Store. In the search box on the top, you can go ahead and type in Photos app, and then you click on Microsoft Photos, and then over here you will see the update option. In my case, there is no update, so you will see this update option. So click on update, or you can go to library also. And then here you can click on get update, and it will go ahead and install all the updates on your computer for all the Microsoft application. It will go ahead and update, and that will also include Photos app. And after that, you can go ahead and restart your computer and check Photos app. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and repair or reset Photos app. So for this, go to the start menu, then open Windows. If you have Windows 10, go open Windows 10 settings. If you have 11, open settings, and then go to apps. Then click on apps and features, and over here you have to go ahead and find Photos app. So type in Photos over here, and in Windows 10 you simply have to click over here. In Windows 11 you have to click on three dots, then you will see the advanced option. Click on advanced options, scroll down. Over here you will see the repair option, so click on repair, and once the repair is done, you can go ahead and try to open the video, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. And still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and reset, and once the reset is done, you can try to open the video once again. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Photos app. To uninstall, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, and then you can go ahead and paste the first command over here. Hit the enter key. This will go ahead and uninstall Photos app from your computer. And when you type in Photos, you would not see Photos app over here. And after this, you can go ahead and restart your computer. And after the system restart, again open PowerShell. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then run the second command. This command will reinstall Photos app on your computer. So hit the enter key, and after this you should be able to see the Photos app, and then you can go ahead and try to open the video with Photos, and that should work. Now, still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run these two commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then run the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, you have to go ahead and run the second scan. So wait for this, let this 100% complete, and then you can go ahead and copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then check the video. Now still you're facing the problem, go ahead and update Windows. So go to settings, then click on Windows Update, then click on check for update, and once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to open video. So one of the steps should definitely help you to play your video successfully on your computer using Photos app without blank screen. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.